Marx Zayden. वेलकम टू माय चैनल एंड आज का टॉपिक है 5 साइकोलॉजिकल फैक्ट्स अबाउट बर्ड्स. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. फैक्ट नंबर 1. Birds have complex social lives with unique methods of communication. Some species of birds can recognize themselves in mirror, which is considered a sign of self-awareness. Fact number 2. Birds have a remarkable ability to learn and imitate sound, including human speech. Fact number 3. Birds have an incredible sense of navigation, which can be used to return to their original nesting site. Fact number 4. Cognition studies have shown that birds can understand cause and effect and even exhibit delayed gratification. Fact number 5. The male superb lyrebird has an elaborate courtship dance involving mimicry of other birds and even human sounds.